Skinny girls weak, them hoes don't compare. Junk in the trunk looking like 2 pairs. Woo, got me hotter than a sauna. Ass so fat, make me wanna thank your mama. Ass so fat, I think I need a lap dance. Ass so fat, about to pop out of them pants.
Hey guys, welcome back to Eating with Ashley here on My Full Figure Life. Today we are having a special mukbang. I'm doing this meal in memory of Jasper Daze. If you didn't know, he was another mukbanger and he passed away a couple of weeks ago. And one of his famous videos, he did Mumbo sauce, Chinese chicken wings, and french fries. So that's what I have today. But you guys know how we do. Here's a little bit of food porn. Okay, so I was gonna take it out the container, but he didn't in his video. So in order for you guys to see it a little better, I'm just gonna rip the top off. So I think that should be better. You guys can see it. Let's give it one time for this face beats. Yes, honey. This is officially the first real face beat of the year. I went simple all year. Well, it's only like, what, the third? But this is the first face beat of the year. And guess what? I filmed it. So be on the lookout for this makeup tutorial. Yes, honey. But I am starving. Let's get into this food, y'all. So this is Mumbo sauce. It's kind of like a Asian, well, I don't know if it's like an Asian barbecue sauce kind of thing, but it has like a little kick to it, so it's good. It's good. A few other mukbangers are doing Jasper Daze tribute meals as well, so I will be putting links to their videos in the description box as well. So go check out those other mukbangs from them in memory of Jasper Daze and show their videos some love as well. My phone is going off, y'all. This is good. It's kind of sweet and it has like a little kick to it. It's good. To drink, I'm just having water. I'm trying to finish this bottle of water out. I'm like on a water kick, trying to get as much water in as possible. I drank this much already. I'm going to try to drink the rest of this and maybe another half. I reheated this food in the microwave and the fries are kind of sticking together, I guess, since I reheated it, because I had to beat this face, y'all, and I did this makeup on camera, so you know that took a long time, so I had to put this back in the microwave. It's still good though. We're just gonna try not to drop no food on myself today. And we have the chicken wings. And these are small. Usually when you get Chinese chicken wings, they be like big as hell, but these wings are actually small. Which is not a bad thing, because you know I do not like them hormone blown up meat. Especially chicken. This is a nice size wing. So I'm sorry, y'all. I cannot eat veins and all that kind of stuff. So when I eat stuff like chicken wings and chicken, I pick through it because I do not like veins and cartilage and gristle and all that stuff. I hate it. So how has the new year been going so far, guys? Mine has been going okay. Can't complain. This chicken and this mumbo sauce is good. I got this idea from Yummy Bites. She did the chicken wings and mumbo sauce herself, but she actually made hers from scratch, which is good. But when I went to the Chinese food restaurant like last week, I seen that they had mumbo sauce, so I just bought it, y'all. And I remember in Jasper's video, he had got his from the Chinese place as well. Either way, both good. I eat the tips, y'all. Do you guys eat the chicken wing tips? I love them. I like bite all around it. So it's been raining like crazy here. This food is good, y'all. I haven't had Chinese chicken wings in a long time. When I went to the Chinese food restaurant a couple weeks ago, I got steamed broccoli with garlic sauce on top of rice. It was good, y'all. I've been waiting to eat this. You know how long it took me to do my makeup on camera? I'm hungry. It's like all I could think about was eating this. So I have some good Veus coming up. Ooh. I got this makeup tutorial, and it's a collaboration. So wait for the video so you can see who I'm collabing with. She's real cute. Some good mukbangs coming. I'm about to do a couple size confidence videos. That should be fun. I'm doing a plus size clothes lookbook. Everybody been talking to me about the lookbooks. I'm doing one. I'm gonna do another mukbang with honey. I'm gonna be doing another mukbang with hubby, like a date night kind of meal. That's coming. What else? More makeup. It's just, you just gonna have to wait and see what's coming. Some good stuff coming. course, my hauls, because you know I'm always getting some shit. Make sure you're subscribed if you're watching. Oh, look, this chicken wing bigger than those other ones. Make sure you subscribe. Click that button so you see my videos. Y'all, I've been wanting to prank hubby so bad. I think I'm gonna have a prank coming soon. We told each other we wasn't gonna do no pranks on each other, but I think just because he's not expecting it, I'm gonna do it. So that's gonna be funny as hell. I'm doing a giveaway coming soon too. A Valentine's Day giveaway. I'm gonna be announcing the details for the Valentine's Day giveaway. Probably like another week or two. So that's gonna be good. Chinese food chicken wings be banging, y'all. This is good. I don't know if I'm just hungry or what, but these chicken wings taste delicious. Do you guys, tell me if you guys eat the tip. I know some people get chicken wings and get the tip cut off. I like it. Am I weird? Yes, y'all. This is hitting the spot. Look at this big chicken wing. I hate big chicken wings. I hate veins, y'all. I'm sorry I don't just bite into my chicken, but I gotta pick through it so I see what I'm eating. Even though I'm a big girl, I eat really, really funny. I promise you. This was good. Here's my last tip. That was good, y'all. So satisfied. I'm done. That was another mukbang. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to click the links in the description box of the other mukbang videos. I'll also include Jasper's video. Oh, excuse me. Oh, excuse me. So sorry. I'll also include Jasper's video of his Mumbo sauce, Chinese chicken wings and fries. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to do you, boo. Bye, guys.